All right, so we got an iPad app working all real time. And so right here you have our render stream. And so as I change time of day, you can start to see the sun start moving around. And that actually starts to look in the set here. And so if we recall a quick preset like twilight, everything will go dark, the mimics will change. That's the image-based lighting. If we want to go back to like an afternoon look, pull some clouds out, we can pull the clouds out, we can bring them back in. Another thing is we can make it storm. So you can bring the intensity of a thunderstorm all the way up. That will start to lightning in here. We're getting sound effects from Unreal Engine real time. And so as the lightning strikes here, that trigger goes into our lightning in the actual lighting console. And then from there, it's pretty much just tweaking the scene how you want it and then recalling it. So if you have 3 or 4 shoots during the day, we start out, in the afternoon, and that looks great. Then all of a sudden we have shoot number 2. Let's go to midnight and let's pull the clouds out and bring some stars in and maybe a little bit of those northern lights. And that's all happening real time here. And the scene can just operate and continue to run. And you don't need to learn Unreal Engine. This is just really easy and intuitive to learn for your DPs, your directors. And then ultimately you come up with really great lighting scenarios on the fly.